in the middle.
Hello! Today in my art room, I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt like mine, but with a beautiful heart. Let's go to my art room. Welcome to my art room. First, I will show you what we need. If you want, you can also buy a ready tie-dye kit that usually has all of this stuff. The kit only do not include a tray with a rack, where we will place the t-shirt to dye it. This is all the stuff you need if you don't have a ready tie-dye making kit. First, we need a little bag to keep the tie-dye t-shirt when it's ready, gloves to protect our hands, strong rubber bands. I chose 4 colors. If you want, you can choose 5 colors. My colors are powder, so I mixed them with water. In a ready tie-dye kit, the colors are already prepared and ready to use. We also need a textile marker because a normal marker may not wash out. And of course, we need a white t-shirt that is 100% cotton. The last thing we need is to put something under the t-shirt while we paint. I'm using a tray with a rack, but you can also use cardboard or any mat to protect your table. I'm wearing my painting t-shirt, but if you do not want to get your clothes dirty, you can wear an apron. Now, we can start. First, you need to slightly wet the t-shirt. Mine is already wet. This helps the color spread nicely. We fold the t-shirt in half like this. Now we draw half of a heart only on one side. If this is difficult for you, of course you can ask a parent for help. You can make the heart bigger or smaller, just the way you like. Be careful with this part, it's very important. My half heart is ready. Now it's time for the next important step. We need to pinch the fabric little by little, following the heart line very carefully. This is how it should look as you follow the heart shape. We continue folding the fabric along the heart until we reach the end. The top part is very important. Do it carefully and follow the line exactly. We place the rubber band right here on the heart line. Now we push the rest of the t-shirt upwards. Make sure it is tight so the shape stays in place. Now we put the first rubber band carefully. We place it exactly along the outline. The first rubber band is ready. The space between the other rubber band should be almost the same. We carefully put the next rubber band here. This part can be a little tricky, so you can ask a parent to help you. The second rubber band is on. We need 2 more and then we're ready to start coloring. Try to keep the same distance. Rubber bands are strong, but I'm stronger. I can do this. My rubber bands are ready. I did it. I hope you did it too. Now it's time to put the t-shirt on the rack and begin coloring. These are my colors. I chose pink, green, violet, and something like yellow or orange. I will begin with violet. First, we need to shake the dye bottle well. It is also very important to wear gloves to protect our hands. Now we are ready to start coloring. We begin from the bottom part where the heart will be. Color slowly and carefully so the shape stays beautiful. Try not to go over the rubber band. Now I add pink, It's a little bit hard to open. Oopsie! It's okay. Now it's time for green color. Now orange color. On the top part, I will add green and purple again. Just a little from both colors, so the t-shirt gets a fun spotted effect. Now we carefully turn the t-shirt to the other side. We must use exactly the same colors here, so the heart will match and look the same on both sides. Our tie-dye t-shirt is ready. Now let's put it into a plastic bag. And we need to wait 6 to 12 hours. But the best results come if we wait overnight. Now I'm closing my plastic bag, and I will wait one night for the colors to set. See you later!
1 day later.
Hello! It has been officially one night, so let's unwrap this. I'm actually kind of scared. Okay, let's see it. Wait. I love the colors, but this is not the real colors. First we need to wash it and then put it in the washing machine to see how the actual results are. Okay, let's first open this. Oh, there's a lot of paint coming. Wait, look at these colors. They're so good together. Okay, try to just unwrap this and hope for the best. This is kind of messy, but that's why we need gloves. So this do not be very close to your shirt because it can get very dirty. So there's a lot of paint on this. Oh, okay. Wait, I think it's a hard. Okay, you get the first cake. Wait, it's actually hard. I love it. Let's see the back. Wow, it's beautiful. Now let's go to wash it. First, we must wash it very well in the sink. Wash it well in the sink until the water is clear. You may need to repeat this many times, so you can ask a parent to help you. My t-shirt is in the washing machine. If you want to protect the white part, you can use a color catcher sheet. Finally, my t-shirt is ready and I'm so happy to show you the results. This is the front, it's so beautiful, and this is the back. Gorgeous. You can try to make this t-shirt at home too. Thank you for watching. See you next time.